Honor X7c has been launched in Azerbaijan as a successor to the Honor X7b. The new Honor X series phone runs on the octa-core Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 SoC and is offered in 2 RAM and storage options. The phone boasts a 6.77-inch display and packs a 6,000 mAh battery with 35-watt charging support. It has a dual rear camera unit led by a 108-megapixel primary sensor. The Honor X7c has an IP64 rating for water and dust resistance. The base 6GB RAM plus 128GB trim of the Honor X7c is priced at AZN 359, roughly Rs 17,000. Meanwhile, the top-end version with 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage is priced at AZN 410, roughly 2,200. It is available in forest green, midnight black, and moonlight white color options. Honor X7c runs on Android 14-based macOS 8.0 and features a 6.77-inch TFT LCD HD+ 720 by 1610 resolution display. Under the hood, it has an octa-core Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset paired with Adreno 610 GPU, 8GB of RAM, and up to 256GB of onboard storage. For optics, the Honor X7c has a dual rear camera unit comprising a 108-megapixel primary sensor and a 2-megapixel secondary sensor. For selfies, there is an 8-megapixel front camera. Connectivity options on the Honor X7c include a 3.5mm audio jack, Wi-Fi A211AB GNAC, Bluetooth 5, GPS, OTG, USB Type-C port, and NFC. Sensors on board include ambient light sensor, compass, gravity sensor, fingerprint sensor, and proximity sensor. It packs dual stereo speakers with high-res audio support. The Honor X7c is backed by a 6,000 mAh battery with 35 watts charging support. The battery is claimed to deliver up to 59 hours of music playback time on a single charge. It measures 166.8 by 76.8, 8.24 millimeters, and weighs around 196 grams. The phone has an IP64 dust-proof and water resistance rating.